Hi guys, this is the second Niger Bridge access road, the one that is located at Isela Sagba before the Wishtec company. That is where this place is located. I've made a to and fro video about this particular second Niger Bridge access road before when they were newly starting. But at some point, towards the holidays, they stopped work and they went for holidays. And this time around, they have fully resumed work. You can't find any tractors or any workers on the site when we visited because that day is on Sunday. We visited on Sunday, just this Sunday, 2025th. That is when we visited this location. So, and from what you can see over here, you will notice that they have resumed work. They are currently working on it. So new things are coming up. They have already installed some rod for pillars that will hold the flyover and the rest. So when we get to the upside, you will see them there. So they are currently on it. They have installed rod as some sections and the remaining other sections. So once they are done installing those rod, this thing will commence. The pouring of concrete casting will commenced. So from what we see now that we visited is quite different from what you saw the last time we gave you guys this coverage. Mainly what we saw the last time we visited, which is that first video, is that they are doing clearing. They are just clearing the road, doing some ground leveling and the rest of them. But this time around, a lot of progress have been made. I can tell you guys, which you will see in this particular video. As we keep on heading up, you will see everything for yourself. So this, we are still on along that Isela Sagba road, the Isela Sagba to Bini Road. That is where we are currently at, where the flyover is being constructed. You have not entered the the normal access road, the one that will be taking you down to Obanam, then down to Ibuzo to Asaba, then connecting you to the second Niger Bridge. You have not entered that particular place. So we are currently at that Isela Saga Expressway. That is where we are right now. Over here, another pillar will be here, which you are seeing there. So they will stand another pillar here. Some, many pillars like you can see in the hole. So very soon they will start adding it, extra rod to be able to cast it the way they're supposed to be. So leaving this angle, when we head a little bit up, we will see the one already. Those ones are already installed. They have installed the one in our front over there. So there's another one here too, and those ones are ready. Very soon they will start casting them, and after this one there's another one again at the front. So there are many. So that is where they currently are for this. But the last time we visited, you notice that from that video, if you have not watched it, you can go over and rewatch that first clip. You will notice that all these things were not there when the last time we visited. They were just kind of grading the land and doing other things. But now they are standing the pillar, and from what I'm seeing, if the work continue progressing speedily like this, I am looking at it that before the middle of this year, I think maybe some section of that road either receives a stone base or asphalting, from what I'm seeing. If they continue doing it very fast this way, definitely some section of that road will start receiving something like stone base or asphalting. So this is looks of the Flyover Construction along that Isela Sagba road. Isela Sagba down to Okpanam City Gate or heading towards Beni. This is the current looks of the place. So very soon we will turn around and head inside the access road. But this time around, guys, the last time I visited here, I stressed myself a lot. So if you want to see from the beginning of this access road down to Okpanam, then down to where they currently are, kindly go to my old videos and watch them. This time around I was unable to do that full tour because I was very, very tired, and it's not every part of the road that are motorable. So I can't possibly, even if I say let me take a bike or tricycle, they will charge me a lot. I'm broke. So for now I'm broke. I don't want to spend that much doing it. So but this time around, majority of the roads are now more motorable than before. Honestly, they are more motorable than before, except some few places where they are constructing culvert, they have no sand field. So what I showed you earlier is the some of the samples or pictures they have taken from the ongoing construction, both the one they did when they were starting the work newly at that express site, by that flyover where they are constructing flyover. Over here we also see some of the equipment that will be used for the flyover, some of the slabs and other things that will be needed for the flyover are already in place. They are already doing them and packing them one side, so all of them are ready by this side. So from here heading down is the main access road. Once you come from that express, you take your right, then head down from here. This particular one will take you to Okpanam, then cross that the Okpanam road, then across it heading towards Ibuzo and Asaba and the rest. So this is the looks. So we also go down a little bit and show you. We get to I think we get to 2 culverts before we ended the video. So like I said earlier, if you wish to watch the beginning to the end of the looks of the road, kindly refer to our old videos and watch them. But maybe if God may have it, if the next time I'm going there, if I have enough funds, I may charter bike or maybe tricycle to take me around, because the place is quite far. It's trekkable, but you're gonna be exhausted, so it's not easy to do. So those are some of the equipment that will be used for the flyover and the rest. So for now, Gota construction has not commenced. They are still doing ground leveling. That is where they are right now. They are doing ground leveling, which you'll be seeing on this particular video. So ground leveling is also going on here. You can see, if I head down a little bit, you will understand what they are doing here. They are trying to bring down some hills, kind of some places that have hills, that the hills are not necessary. They are trying to bring it down, to correspond with others. So then the places that are very, very slopey, they are sampling them to give it the same maybe to get the same length or the same height. They want it to be something like that. So they actually are grading here. They are grading around this place, to give it the same level with the one where they are coming from. So that is what they are doing here. At some point, if we move a little down, some of the places that are very, very high at the top, the last time we visited, they have actually bring it down. Like the place is not very, very slopey, as if the place is have something like was hit by erosion before. So that is how some of the areas are looking. So as we head down, you will be seeing everything for yourselves. So if any of you have watched my the old video I made about this place, you will remember this covert. This covert was the one I filmed, and where they were constructing it. And that my previous video was very slopey. It seems like they are constructing the covert inside a hole. Like the place was very deep. So the first time I filmed it, so I was there when they were constructing it in my first video. You can go back and watch them. So this is that covert they were constructing that time. So as you can see, they are done with the construction of that covert, and also started sampling the area. They are sampling the top of the covert. So this is the looks. So if you go and watch that video, you notice that this area is very deep. So now they are done with the covert. They sampled it. They are still sampling it though. They are not yet through with the sampling, because at some point you will notice that I kind of step down something. So from there, coming down, they will still need to sample it more. So this is where I was talking about. You can see here, the first time we visited here, the first video I made about this place here was very actually high. It was on top, like it's a hill. Once you come, after that covert, you have to climb up to this particular hill. So now they have actually bring down that hill. So by this side and this side, it is now very high, and the road is now down. Seems as if it was like that before. No, they are the one that actually bring them down. So this is the looks of this particular place. This is how it is looking. You can see that they have graded here and they put it in a proper way. Okay, before I forget to also mention, they have also started marking out the size of the road, like how many size the road we have or something like that, the length of the road or something, I don't, or the width, sorry, maybe the width of the road. They have also started putting some stakes to get the actual measurement. What I'm yet to know, if this road we have a kind of underground drainage system, just like the one you have at that second Niger Bridge access road, the one that is very close to it, the one that was constructed by Julius Berger. You know that one. The last time I filmed it, attached it with this with the old video I made. All the thing that was there is an underground drainage system. So I'm here to know if this one we also have underground drainage system, or maybe surface drainage system, or maybe opened one, something like that. So what I just showed you is the markings, the road markings, like the bringing out the width, the width of the road or something. That place, I think they want to do something there. That's why they give a special sign around there. So this is the second culvert where I told you guys that we're gonna maybe be ending the I ended my journey. I did not exceed here. That is the thing. I do not exceed here. This is where I stopped my filming, then turn around to show other angle that I did not get. So from here to that Okpanam side, it's still very, very far, guys. It's still very far. Like, I'm not joking. It's still very far. It's not something that a weaker person can trek. The place is very, 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 very far. So maybe at some point towards this weekend, I will also try my best to go and check out the other side of it after the Okpanam road to Ibuso. The other side of it, I also go and check it out and see how that place is looking, if they have extended beyond where they stopped the last time we visited. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe. Click on the like button, click on the notification bell to always be the first to be notified anytime we publish any video or drop an update concerning any construction or realization locations and the rest. So don't forget to subscribe. Help us get to 6k sub before the end of this January. Thank you guys for watching. Continue with the video because there are more after this one. You can see what we are passing through to give you guys an update. So I'm currently at the second Niger Bridge access road. If you check my back, down there, very down, that road is linking you back to I think the road that will take you to Ibuzo and back to Banam City Gate. That is where this one is linking you to, and we cannot continue. We can't continue. I'm tired. Maybe next time when we visited, maybe we have a more update to give you guys. Then I can take it back and make the journey very easy for me, because from what I'm seeing right now, I think the motor is a bit the road, so it's a bit motorable right now. So thank you guys, and you have a wonderful day. Kindly subscribe to our channel and then keep on keeping your notification button on so you get notify anytime we hit publish any of our videos. Bye.